Sounding like this is Summer from Zeus, and today we will discuss about the hip bone and how in this video I shall tell you about how to determine the side mean whether this hip bone is of the right side or of the left side. So basically hip bone is also known as innominate bone because this bone is given no name, and this is an irregular form of bone. As you can see, this bone does not fit into any shape. Okay, now let's start about side determination of hip bone. So basically you should know that the hip bone is made up of three parts. This part you see here, this is known as ilium. This part you see here, this is known as ischium, and this part you see here, this is known as pubis. Okay, and one more thing important, the upper part you see here, upper crust, this is known as iliac crust. It is a sharp prominent crust and it should be project upward. This thing, this is known as acetabulum, and this should face laterally, and this hole is known as obturator foramen. Okay, now let's try to fit it into hand by this process. This is known as gated sciatic notch. If I hold this with my right side so that acetabulum faces laterally and pubic symphysis faces medially, so my thumb lies in the acetabulum side, so this will be wrong. Okay, if I try to put it in my left hand, you see my thumb and the pubic surface should be on the same side, and I hold it easily, and hence this is of left side. This is an easiest way to determine the side. Okay, now to determine the anatomical position of the hip bone, remember, hold it in your hand. Okay, this surface, symphyseal surface of pubis, should be in sagittal plane. I try to like this one. Okay, this is the anatomical position of the hip bone. Okay, another point is, you see here, this is known as anterior superior iliac spine. This is a sharp prominent anterior margin of the iliac crust. This should be, this point and this point should be in the coronal plane, like you see here, and symphyseal surface of pubis should be sagittal plane, and this point and anterior superior iliac spine should be in the coronal plane. So this is the anatomical position of the hip bone. Okay, now another thing is, this surface should face towards you for determining the side. Like if I hold it in my right hand, the acetabulum is facing laterally, pubic symphysis is facing medially, but you see you cannot fix it like this. No, so I put it in my left hand by through the gated sciatic notch, you see here the thumb and the pelvic surface of the pubis should be on the same side, like this. Once again, if I put it in my left hand through the gated sciatic foramen, the thumb and this surface of the pubis should be on the same side. Now if I put it into my right hand, you see thumb is on the opposite side, so this is not of right side, this is of left side. Hope so you get well. Jazakallah for watching.